Andrew Ostrowski, Director of Culinary for Middleby Marshall, also host of Feed the Beast. For more information on those videos, check us out at middlebymarshall.com/feed the beast. Today, you got it thawed or you got it fresh, but let's do a little clean on your chicken wings so you're getting the best quality product and taste out of it. Here I have some thawed wings in our sink because we're gonna use a large colander. Why the colander? The colander is gonna allow for a little bit, not a wash, but let's call it a rinse, because we wanna get some of the visceral and blood and other solution that was sitting in the bag or sitting in that ice crystal. We wanna get that off the texture and really be able to taste the product itself, right? Let's let that chicken fat and the chicken skin and the dark meat of that wing really pop. So instead of actually giving it a submersion, we're gonna dump it in this colander. And this is a great sink here because I have the ability to have my spray hose. Big key to this is I spray up here. I'm moving all that raw chicken everywhere throughout this kitchen and really getting into some sanitation questions. So what I wanna do is I wanna get nice and close to that chicken. I wanna use nice cold water. Give it a good rinse. Make sure that you're covering all the chicken. Stop halfway to give a couple shakes. Make sure that you're agitating it so that you get all that kind of packaging material and blood and other liquids rinsed off that chicken. One more time, and that's it. That's all we really want to do. By keeping the chicken lightly rinsed, we're allowing it to dry in a much faster application, but we're not incorporating too much water into that and kind of degrading the skin and the good crispy textures that you get out of it. Give it a couple shakes. Make sure that you're releasing some of the moisture, and a little trick, rest it on a sheet tray so that some of the extra moisture that's gonna come and drain after the rinse is gonna go into a safe place, therefore not worrying about cross-contamination throughout your kitchen. Your chicken is thawed, it's rinsed, and it's ready to go. Now you can enjoy the fun part. Hopefully a few of those little easy techniques gave you a fast way to approach an everyday staple on your menu and make sure that it tastes clean and consistent every single time. For more information, tips, and tricks, visit us at middlebymarshall.com/feed the beast. Subscribe and like.